Namaste. My name is Geeta Chaudhary. I'm an Indian working and living in Barcelona from the past 10 years in IT sector. We are very thankful to the Indian Culture Center for distributing groceries to the community and to the needy people. They are working a lot. We are also thankful to the Indian Embassy Spain for helping us out in this difficult situation.
I'm Elson George. I'm a research student at Autonomous University of Barcelona. I came to know about the food distribution program by Indian Culture Center and Indian Embassy in Barcelona. So they are helping the Indian people in this very difficult situation.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు షణ్ముఖి కృష్ణ. ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇండియా, presently residing in Barcelona, Spain. Yes, you have been listening in news about the pandemic situation in Spain due to the COVID-19. But do not worry, because Indian Embassy in Spain and Indian Cultural Center here in Barcelona, they are taking many precautionary measures and initiatives towards the Indians in Spain. Indian Embassy has come up with different programs to support Indians here. Recently, they did a food solidarity program where they distributed groceries for many students and community members. On the other hand, Indian Embassy has made a group with all the committee heads, and they are having a weekly video conference to find out the whereabouts of all the Indian.
I'm Sanjay Arora, working and living in Barcelona since 12 years as an IT professional. We are very thankful to Indian Culture Center for distributing groceries to the needy people, to the students and our community people. And we are also thankful to Indian Embassy for helping us in this difficult situation. And we appreciate the efforts done by our Indian government.
This is Ishwar Patil. I am an automobile professional from India, currently living in Calafell near Barcelona. As we all know, the current situation in Spain is worse due to COVID-19. During this critical time, Indian Culture Center and Embassy of India are helping with the food essentials to the Indian community people. I would like to thank them. I will also like to appreciate the efforts taken by Government of India. Thank you.